Hi guys, with another video. This is the new tire. We're going to measure with this penny. As you see, Franklin is gonna be upside down. His head is gonna be upside down. Just put it into this groove. As you see, look. What is the head? Look. Right. I think it's going to all the way to I. Once again, look. It's not covering all the head, but it's like here, going all the way to I. From hair inside, forehead inside, and goes all the way to I. This is the tire that it's 205/55 R16. Yeah, you can measure with this if it's good. This is the new, exactly new, as you see. Once again, we can try with this too. Look, right there, as you see, all the way eyes. Not the completely head, but yeah, going to eye. All right, thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video. Bye.